This is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making tomato cheese sandwich. This is a perfect recipe for any time of the day, so you can have it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. And it is really easy to make. So without further ado, let's get cooking. This recipe makes a total of 1 sandwich. To make this sandwich, we will need 2 slices of bread. You can use any kind of bread you like. I am using white bread. 30 grams of mozzarella cheese, 2 slices of tomato and 2 slices of onion, some salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, chili flakes and pepper as per your taste. And then you will add on the onions and the tomatoes. You will let these cook on both sides until it is golden brown. Next, we will butter the bread. So you can just take some butter and you can spread it on each bread. Now we will start assembling the sandwich. So on 1 slice of bread, we will add on the cooked onions, cooked tomatoes, some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, some chili flakes, and the cheese. After assembling the sandwich, we will take the same pan that we used to cook the tomatoes and onions and we will put it between low and medium heat. Then you will add on some butter and you will let this melt. And then you will put on the sandwich. And you will let one side of it cook. Make sure to cook it until it is golden brown. To help the cheese melt faster, you will put a lid on the pan. Once the bottom of the sandwich is cooked, you can spread some butter on the top. And then you can flip the sandwich. And you will let the other side cook. And then you can take your sandwich out onto a plate and it is ready to eat. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Be sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.